Hello. Pull. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Woohoo!
What is carbohydrates and protein? Carbohydrates are a type of biomolecule that serves as a primary source of energy for the body. There are three main types of carbohydrates. Um, First is sugar, simple carbohydrates such as glucose, fructose, and galactose, which are quickly digested and absorbed by the body. Starches, complex carbohydrates such as amylose and amylopectin, which are found in grains, potatoes, and legumes. And the last one is fiber, a type of complex carbohydrate that is not easily broken down by the body and provides bulk to stool, promoting digestive health. Protein building and repairing tissues. Protein are necessary for the growth and repair of tissues, including muscle, bones, skin, and hair. Producing enzymes and hormones. Proteins are involved in the production of enzymes which catalyze chemical reaction in hormones, which regulate various bodily function. Maintaining fluid balance. Protein help regulate the balance of fluid within the body. Um, yung protein po is if you want to gain a good body and muscle, we need to eat the like egg and chicken breast. Kasi po nakakatulong sa atin yung mga yun para po mag-gain tayo ng um, muscle sa ating katawan. Kaya if you want to achieve a good muscle, let's eat like some food have a protein. Nutrients have one or more or three basic function. They provide energy. Like po kinakain natin yung mga food na healthy sa katawan natin is nagkakaroon tayo ng energy for the whole day. And then, nakakontribute niya yung body structure and regulate chemical processes in the body. This basic function allows to detect and respond to environmental surroundings, move, excrete, wastes, breath, grow, and procedure. So we have two. First is fat deficiency. Fat soluble vitamin deficiency is impaired absorption of fat soluble vitamins and potentially fatty liver disease, and then excess obesity, heart disease, high cholesterol levels, and potentially increased risk of certain cancers. And then the last one is vitamin A deficiency, night blindness, dry skin, impaired immune function, and increased risk of infections. And then excess um, hypervitaminosis A, and then headaches, dizziness, nausea, and then blurred vision, and potentially liver damage. This is sample for food hub source of nutrients. First is calcium. Dairy products like milk, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream protein. And then next para naman sa protein is chicken, turkey, fish, and lean beef. And then lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, and soybeans. And then the last one for carbohydrates, food, brown rice, quinoa, whole white bread, and whole grain pasta. And then for fruits naman po is bananas, apple, berries, and citrus fruits. Regarding nutrition, there are a few important things to remember. First and foremost, it is critical to comprehend the six vital nutrients, vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fat, water, and carbohydrates that our systems require in order to function correctly. The two types of nutrients that these are classified as are macronutrients and micronutrients, while macronutrients like water, protein, carbs, and fats are needed in greater quantities. Micronutrients like vitamins and minerals are needed in smaller dosages.